Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am upgrading my HP Victus laptop by upgrading my RAM for better performance. Let's get started. First, choose the correct screwdriver which fits with your laptop screws. My laptop originally comes with two 4GB RAM sticks. To enhance the performance, I am replacing one of the 4GB sticks with a new Crucial 16GB DDR4 RAM stick, which makes the total RAM of 20GB memory. Now I will remove all the screws which holding the back panel. Once done, use a stiff cord or a prying tool to carefully pop up the self-tip locks. Before proceeding further steps, it is crucial to disconnect the battery to cut off the power to the motherboard. Now I will remove the existing 4GB RAM stick and insert the new 16GB RAM securely into the slot. With the RAM installed, the next step is to reconnect the battery. Carefully attach the battery connector and make sure it's properly seated to avoid power issues. Once that's done, place the back panel back onto the laptop and align it correctly. Now, I will screw back the back panel securely, ensuring all the screws are tightened properly. Press the power button and verify if the laptop turns on without any issue. Next, I will open Task Manager to check the RAM upgrade. As you can see, the memory now shows up to 20 GB of memory, confirming that the new RAM is detected and working perfectly.